How to clear cache in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to fix lag, loading issue or crashes in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade, then clearing the cache is one of the easiest way to make the game run smoother. First of all, launch open Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade, and once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Once you've opened up this menu button, look for the Clear Cache button and tap on it. Click on Clear Cache in the pop-up to confirm the clearing. Now your cache data has been cleared from the account. This will restart the game and you've successfully cleared the cache and helped improve your game performance in just a few steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.